Hey there, aspiring trainers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this 9th episode, we'll be focusing on the crucial topic of time management during workshops. We'll explore techniques to ensure that all key points are covered, allowing for a productive and efficient learning experience. So, let's dive right in. As trainers, managing time effectively is essential to ensure that our workshops are organized, engaging, and cover all the necessary material. Here are some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you on your journey towards becoming a successful trainer. 1. Plan and structure your workshop. Before the workshop, create a detailed plan and structure for the session. Outline the key points, allocate appropriate time for each topic, and consider any potential challenges or areas that may require additional attention. This will help you stay on track and ensure that all important content is covered. 2. Set clear objectives. Clearly define the objectives of your workshop and communicate them to your participants. This will not only provide them with a sense of direction but also help you prioritize and allocate time accordingly. Keep the objectives in mind throughout the session to stay focused on the essential points. 3. Break down content into manageable chunks. Instead of overwhelming participants with a large amount of information all at once, break down your content into smaller, easily digestible chunks. This allows for better retention and understanding. Allocate specific time slots for each chunk, ensuring that you cover all the necessary material without rushing. 4. Utilize time management techniques. Techniques such as the Pomodoro technique or time blocking can be effective in managing time during workshops. The Pomodoro technique involves working in focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by short breaks. Time blocking involves allocating specific time slots for different tasks. Experiment with these techniques to find what works best for you and your workshop. 5. Be mindful of participant engagement. Engage your participants throughout the workshop to maintain their attention and focus. Incorporate interactive activities, group discussions, or hands-on exercises to keep them actively involved. This not only enhances their learning experience but also allows you to cover key points while keeping participants engaged. 6. Prioritize and adapt. During the workshop, prioritize the key points and ensure they are covered first. If you find that time is running short, be prepared to adapt and make adjustments. Identify and eliminate any non-essential content or consider providing additional resources for participants to explore on their own. 7. Time management tools. Take advantage of time management tools and technology to stay organized and on track. Utilize timers, alarms, or productivity apps to help you manage your time effectively during the workshop. These tools can serve as reminders and keep you accountable to the allocated time for each topic. 8. Practice pacing and delivery. Pay attention to your pacing and delivery during the workshop. Speak clearly and concisely, allowing enough time for participants to process the information. Avoid rushing through important points or spending too much time on less crucial details. Practice your delivery beforehand to ensure a smooth and efficient flow. 9. Seek participant feedback. At the end of the workshop, seek feedback from your participants regarding the time management aspect. Ask if they felt that all key points were adequately covered and if they had sufficient time for questions and discussions. This feedback will help you refine your time management techniques for future workshops. Remember, effective time management is crucial for a successful workshop. By planning, structuring, and prioritizing, you can ensure that all key points are covered while keeping participants engaged. Thank you for joining me as we explored the techniques for effectively managing time during workshops. Stay tuned for the next episode.